Well, ahoy there, ye miserable mud crabs. Captain Hooknose here, and today we're going to be learning and practicing our Kraken passer verse chord progression very slowly, right? So grab your ukulele, make sure you're tuned up, and get ready to practice and learn with the captain. Right, crew, now let's have a look at me computer here, me laptop, where I've got me band in a box program. And I've got the verse chord progression up here, and it's represented in these little rectangles, numbered rectangles here, called bars. And bars are just a way of representing music, so it's easier to find where we are. Right? And we see each bar, each one of these rectangles here, as I'm highlighting like so, each one of these rectangles isn't got a little number here. Oops. See, this is the second bar. This is number 3. That's the third bar, 4th, 5. So the verse chord progression is 12 bars long, right? And this is just a little ending chord here. And it's got what chord you play at what bar written in. Right, you'll notice at so in bar 1, you play an E minor chord. At bar 2, you play a G chord. At bar 3, there's nothing written there, but you just play. That just means you play the same chord as what you were playing in the previous bar. You keep playing it. So at bar 3, you play a G chord. At bar 4, you play a G chord. At bar 5, you play an E minor chord and a B7 chord. Bar 6, E minor and B7. And I've also divided this verse chord progression up into 2 because you'll see the first half has the exact same chords as the second half. It's just the melody is slightly different in the second half, right? But we're not representing the melody here. All we're representing is the chord progression, what chords to play and when to play them, right? And we've got these 2 little dots here on the at the first bar, and at the last bar there's 2 little dots as well, and that means repeat, right? So you just when you get to this last bar, you got to go back to the start and repeat. Now this tune is in 4/4 time, which means basically there's 4 beats in every bar, right? So every bar represents 4 beats, and a beat for us is a down, down, up strum. So 4 of these, 4 down, down, ups equals 1 bar. So that first bar goes E minor, down, up, 2, down, up, 3, down, up, 4, down, up. Then we're into the second bar, and we play 4. Then we stay on that second bar, on the G chord for the third bar. We do 4 more. Then we're into the 4th bar, staying on the G, 2 and 3 and 4. The 5th bar, back to the E minor. And we have that little B7 there is occurring on the 4th beat of the 5th bar. And then we do the same thing in the 6th bar, repeat it all, the second half, then repeat it all again 5 times. Okay, confused yet? I am. Alright, so just watch. I'll press play. I'll get my computer band to play it, and I'll count along, and you can watch. Right? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor, 2, 3, 4, G, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a G, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, B7, E minor, 2, 3, B7, E minor, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, took me by surprise. That's actually full speed there, but we're going to slow it down to 35 beats per minute here to practice. So here we go. Grab your ukulele, get ready to start on the A minor, and let's practice along. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and E minor.